Good morning, everyone. I was about to make a cup of espresso, but then I thought I should enjoy it with this Nespresso dark chocolate to have more indulgent coffee moments. So, we bought this a couple of days ago, and then let's open it together. This is 70% cocoa. This is Swiss made chocolate. So, the chocolates made in Switzerland are always nice. Okay. Oh, the squares are falling off. So, there are around 40 squares of chocolate, and this is 70% of cocoa, which is going to be awesome, right? So I can't wait to try this with my coffee. Thank you for watching.